Hubbard squash looks intimidating. It is large, heavy, thick-skinned, and irregular. It does not fit neatly into modern grocery aesthetics, and it does not invite casual handling. Yet this rough, massive squash represents one of the most important ideas in traditional agriculture: food that lasts. Hubbard squash belongs to the species Cucurbita maxima, the same species as buttercup squash and some pumpkins. It is classified as a winter squash, not because it grows in winter, but because it is harvested mature and stored for use during the winter months. Unlike summer squashes, which are eaten young and tender, Hubbard squash is allowed to fully ripen on the vine. The origins of Cucurbita maxima trace back to South America, particularly regions of modern-day Argentina and Bolivia. Indigenous peoples domesticated these squashes thousands of years ago, selecting plants that produced large fruits with dense flesh and thick protective rinds. These traits were not aesthetic. They were practical. Thick skin protected the flesh from insects, moisture loss, and decay. Hubbard squash as a named variety emerged much later, in North America during the 19th century. It became popular because of its exceptional size, yield, and storage life. A single squash could weigh anywhere from 7 to over 15 kilograms, providing a significant amount of food from one plant. For farming families, this mattered. Botanically, Hubbard squash develops from a flowering vine that spreads aggressively across the ground. The plant produces large leaves and long runners, drawing nutrients into a single fruit over the growing season. As the squash matures, starch accumulates in the flesh, and the rind hardens into a thick, almost armor-like shell. This shell is key to its identity. The rind is so hard that Hubbard squash is rarely cut casually. It often requires a heavy knife or cleaver. This difficulty discouraged everyday use but ensured longevity. Properly cured Hubbard squash can be stored for several months without refrigeration, making it one of the most reliable winter vegetables ever grown. Nutritionally, Hubbard squash is dense and efficient. It is rich in complex carbohydrates, providing steady energy. It contains significant amounts of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, supporting vision, immune function, and skin health. It also provides vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. Compared to summer squash, Hubbard squash is far more filling. Its flesh is dry, dense, and starchy rather than watery. When cooked, it becomes smooth, sweet, and rich, often compared to pumpkin or sweet potato. This makes it suitable for soups, purees, baked dishes, and even desserts. Culturally, winter squash like Hubbard played a crucial role in pre-industrial food systems. Before refrigeration, communities depended on foods that could bridge seasons. Root vegetables, dried grains, and winter squash formed the backbone of cold-season diets. Hubbard squash was especially valued because it could feed large households and last through long winters. Cooking Hubbard squash requires planning. It is rarely prepared spontaneously. The squash must be split, seeded, and cooked slowly. Roasting concentrates its natural sugars. Boiling softens the flesh for mashing or soups. Once cooked, the flesh separates easily from the skin and can be stored or frozen. Flavor-wise, Hubbard squash is naturally sweet, nutty, and earthy. It does not need heavy seasoning. Its richness allows it to pair well with both savory spices and sweet preparations. This versatility made it adaptable across different food traditions. From an agricultural perspective, Hubbard squash prioritizes resilience over convenience. It requires space, time, and patience. It is not optimized for fast harvest or uniform appearance. This is one reason it has declined in commercial popularity. Modern food systems favor smaller, easier-to-handle squashes. Yet interest in Hubbard squash has returned among gardeners, heritage farmers, and chefs focused on sustainability. Its long storage life reduces food waste. Its yield per plant is high. Its nutritional density aligns with whole food diets. Hubbard squash represents a different agricultural philosophy. It does not chase speed or visual perfection. It invests in durability. It assumes scarcity and plans for it. In a world built around constant availability, Hubbard squash reminds us of a time when food had to survive as much as people did. It is heavy because it is serious. It is hard because it is protective. It lasts because it was meant to. Hubbard squash is not just a vegetable. It is stored time, sealed in a shell.